Hair fall is a common issue that many people face. But when it starts affecting your confidence, it needs proper medical attention, not guesswork. Hair loss can be caused by genetics, hormonal changes, stress, or nutritional factors. In many cases, the hair follicles become weak, but still active. PRP, or platelet-rich plasma therapy, is a medical treatment that uses your body's own growth factors to support hair restoration. The process involves concentrating the most effective elements of your blood. This creates a nutrient-rich plasma focused on healing. A small sample of your blood is processed to concentrate growth factors. This is then carefully introduced into the scalp to stimulate hair follicles and improve overall scalp health. The goal is to support hair thickness, reduce ongoing hair fall, and improve overall hair quality over time. PRP works best in early to moderate hair thinning. It may not be suitable for advanced hair loss, which is why proper medical evaluation is important. At Barron Beauty Aesthetic and Wellness, every treatment is medically guided and tailored to you. Book your consultation today to understand the right approach for your hair.